Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you a quick tip in VS Code that can save you a lot of time while coding. We all know the normal way to copy and paste text, right? Let's take a quick look. Normally, when we want to copy something, we first select the text and then press Ctrl plus C to copy. Move the cursor to the desired position and press Ctrl plus V to paste. Simple, but when we need to repeat this multiple time while coding, it's become a bit slow. But there is a much faster way in VS Code. Instead of selecting and copy pasting, you can duplicate a line instantly. Just place your cursor on the line you want to copy. Suppose that I want to copy this line. I will place my cursor over here and press Alt Shift and downward arrow, and it can replicate line easily, and boom, the entire line gets replicated below. So this is very faster way to copy paste. Simply place your cursor where you want to copy the line, then press Alt Shift and downward arrow. It can easily replicate the line. That's it, a simple shortcut that makes coding faster and smoother. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick coding tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.